Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a little bit since I've been on, since I've recorded or done anything, but I've been doing something a little bit different. Rally related, so there still is that. It's, I don't know if it's a mistake or if it's something that will actually help out. Who knows? There are people that use sim racing, as you know, for racing, for practice and things of that nature. Well, you saw the 3-screen setup, you saw the sim rig rebuild, you saw the computer for it and all that kind of stuff. Great. I've gone one step further with that, and I got a hold of a VR. So this video is going to be a little bit more about that, what my thoughts are on it, how it relates to a triple screen setup. Maybe there's a benefit to it, maybe there's a disadvantage to it, who knows. But that's what this video is going to be about. I'll have right eye footage from it, from OBS recording it or whatever, from Dirt Rally. That's the one that I use, is Dirt Rally 2. EAWRC, not really that great for it. You can only run 540-degree steering, and it does not change for any of the cars that you're using. So that's a problem there. Dirt Rally 2 at least keeps to that. Yeah, it's a way older game. Assetto Corsa Rally isn't for VR yet, or at least they haven't optimized it for VR. They've optimized it for triple screen, but not optimized it for VR. I haven't really gotten into the Assetto Corsa Rally nearly as much as I play Dirt Rally. I will tell you things that I have found from Dirt Rally running in VR, and some things that have actually helped me while running in Dirt Rally with VR. So that's what this video is about, is VR headsets, how they're going to help me, maybe possibly even drive better whenever I do get back to the next rally that I can run in. And don't worry, there's going to be more updates back to the car. I've got a driver-controlled center differential rebuild coming, and a coil to go with that, because the transmission that I've got, unfortunately, the coil doesn't work. So it was at its factory 35-65, 35 front, 65 rear. We'll see if we can get that fixed later on down the road, but that's coming soon. That's on order, and it'll be here soon. Either way, off to the VR stuff. So here's the thing about VR. You've got to know where everything is. At least that's one of the disadvantages if you adjust your setup, or if your setup isn't the same every time. Maybe you don't have a dedicated sim rig, but you've got to know where everything is. You've got to know where everything on the keyboard is that you're going to be doing. So it's a little bit of a play around with it type of thing. But we're going to run one of the dailies maybe here. Some event rewards from daily challenges. Cool. Am I saying I'm great? No, I'm not great at all. I'm okay. Ooh, I like Group A. We're going to do an Impreza. We're going to go and repair what needs to be repaired. And let's go ahead and run it. Finland. Ooh, it's a long stage. Let's see if I can keep it together. Now, being that this is just a single stage, I'm going to run soft tires. Not going to do any tuning to it. This is just as it is. Is it the best car for it? Maybe not. But let's see.
Starts 20, flat right of a crest, 130, turn unseen, 4 left long. Good luck.
It does take a moment to load in. So you first get like a really skinny looking view, and then when it's ready to run, it blacks out, and then you get the VR view. It's much more immersive. But let's get started.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. 20, flat right of a crest, 130, turn unseen, 4 left long. into 6 right of a crest, 100, crest, and 3 left long, 40. 3 left long, opens of a crest, into 6 right, 50. 6 left of a jump, 70. 3 right, tightens of a crest, 100. Turn 3 right, keep in of a crest, opens, 80. 6 right of a crest, jump, 50. Caution, 6 left of a small jump to keep middle of a big jump, 60. Flat right of a crest, extra long, into crest, 3 left long, opens, 6, long of a crest, to keep flat middle of a crest, and jump, and 5 right of a crest long, at junction, 6 left of a crest, into 6 right tightens, and keep left of a 50, 6 right of a big crest, into turn 6 left, 80. 6 right of a crest, in 4 left long, opens of a crest, 50, turn 5 right, extra long, opens 30, 3 right, tightens of a crest, and keep left of a crest, flat right of a crest, and 6 left, opens of a big jump, 60, flat right, over big jump, into 6 left long, opens of a crest, into 5 right of a crest, 50, 5 left, give in, 40, 5 right, opens of a jump, to jump, and 4 left, tightens 3 of a crest, opens, keep middle of a jump, 40, 5 right, extra long, tightens 4, 30, 4 left long, opens of a big jump, 100, 6 right, tightens of a crest, narrow, and turn late 4 left, extra long, tightens of a crest, 30, 4 right, very long of a crest, opens, keep middle of a crest, 30, 6 right long of a crest, 100, keep middle of a jump, 30, flat right of a jump, 60, 6 right at house, opens 50, flat middle of a big jump, and flat jump, 100, flat left to jump, and keep right of a crest, jump, 70, keep middle of a jump long, into 6 left of a dip, and crest, 150. 6 right of a crest long, tightens of a jump, 30, flat jump, 100, flat middle of a big jump, 150, of a bumps, 6 left, extra long, of a crest, jump, opens extra long, and 6 right of a crest long, and flat middle of a jump, 150, keep middle of a crest, and slow, 6 left long, tightens turn, unseen, 2. 120, keep middle of a big jump, 120, crest, into 4 right, very long, tightens of a crest, and flat left, opens of a jump, 60, caution, keep middle of a jump, and 4 left of a crest, 30, 6 left of a crest, into 3 right long, tightens, 50, 6 right, 80, crest, into sudden, 3 left, tightens unseen, and 6 right of a crest long, into 6 left of a crest, tightens, into 5 right of a dip, very long, and 5 right, keep in of a crest, jump, and 6 left, and 6 right of a jump, 50. Caution, crest into sudden 3 left tightens. 80. Flat left. And 6 right of a dip. Tightens of a crest. 200. Flat right of a crest. Into flat left. 150. 5 left of a crest. Jump. 80. Turn unseen, 5 right, keep in of a crest, 60, 6 left long, opens of a crest, 50, crest and 4 right long of a dip, opens of a crest, 50, keep middle of a crest and 6 left, extra long, into 6 right of a crest, jump, to keep right of a jump, 50, 5 right, very long, into 5 left, extra long, slow 30, turn unseen, square left, 50, flat right, opens of a jump, 30, flat left of a crest long, 80, keep middle of a jump, 100, flat right of a jump, 30, cut, 6 left long, tightens 5 of a jump, 60, 5 right long of a crest, into 6 left of a jump, tightens, and 5 right long, opens, keep middle of a crest, to keep middle of a crest, 100, 6 right, tightens 4 of a crest, jump, 80, 6 left long, 150, over finish, to stop. Well done.
Like I said, I'm not the fastest. Obviously, 7 minutes, 8 seconds for that stage. But that's not bad. This is middle of the day. Place 103. I'm pretty happy with that. Not quite cracking the top 100, but I'm alright with that. The immersiveness, the distances, the fact that you can see it and get a better gauge on it because it is 3D, VR, whatever the case, is way better. Better than triple screens. Some people love triple screens. Some people are better on triple screens. I myself, I need the distance to understand what's going on, where we're at with it. It's not bad. So VR, I'm pretty happy with this. It's definitely an experience. It's a lot better for me to be able to run Dirt Rally with VR. It feels a lot better. I wouldn't have cracked that top 100 or even gotten into the place 103 with the triple screens because the distances are hard to tell on a flat gaming screen. So I know that there's going to be a debate. Some people like VR. Some people like triple screens more than VR. Pros use triple screens. They just get used to it. I, myself, personally, I like VR. And I'm going to use this. I'm going to utilize every tool that I can. Especially, I did notice even myself in the last rally that I ran, is the switchbacks. I was able to really do a Scandinavian flick. Never really had done Scandinavian flicks before that, except in-game. And a little bit of drifting. But either way, this is where it's at for me, is VR. What are your thoughts? Do you like VR? Do you not like VR? Have you played VR? Have you not played VR? Let me know. Hit it up in the comments. Either way, it's awesome.
Did you fail? What happened? What the fuck happened?